Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 and this is the Pitaka MagEZ Case 4 for the Samsung Galaxy S24. Say that 5 times fast in a row, you will get tongue-tied. But here is the case, guys. It's the black and gray version, which has this really nice pattern there. I think it's the 1500D if I'm not mistaken, but MagSafe capabilities, and it's made with genuine aramid fiber, which is a very high-end material. And then there's some information there on the back if you want to look at it, but we didn't come to read, we came to look at this stuff. So let's get this open. So I almost forgot how to open it. So you almost open it like a book, and there it is there. So very nice looking case. Let's see if we can pop this bad boy out. So there we go. We'll put that to the side. Nothing else in here. There is a QR code there if you want to pause it. And then there's their website, ipitaka.com, and all that fun stuff. So let's put this to the side here and let's look at the actual case. So it comes with this little information here. Does say that they care about sustainability. So the camera lip is made from aramid fiber recycled from production leftovers. So kind of cool. But yeah, here it is, guys. Here is the actual case. So very, very simple case. It's very, very thin, as you can see there. It does give you some drop protection, but I do not recommend just chunking it up, 10, 15 feet in the air. It definitely will help survive bumps and bruises. I have dropped my phones before with Pitaka cases on and they have survived, but it is really for the minimalist at heart. But as you can see inside, you have this really nice aramid fiber. I mean, it's all around. You do have that ring there for the MagSafe ring. So if you do have MagSafe chargers, then rejoice. And then as you can see there, it does have some more information there at the bottom, but does have the MagEZ Case 4.0 there as far as branding goes. So let's get the S24 here, pop it in, and that's about as easy as it can get, guys. So there it is installed, and as you can see, it has a really nice clean look. I've always been a huge fan of this particular type of Pitaka case, the black and gray version. I just always think it looks really sleek and fast, but it is very, very thin, as you can see there, almost like you don't have a phone case on. Now with this material, it's not going to be a fingerprint magnet, but it is definitely going to show smudging over time. That's just kind of the natural thing with these types of cases, so just something to point out. Now it did mention, like I said, this is made from recycled aramid fiber, but it doesn't have the pattern, but it does have that really nice matte black look, and it does say Pitaka in white, and then it does say I was phone case, so kind of funny how they've worded that there. So it's single cutouts for the lenses and the flash there, and as you can see, they are recessed in, so we're going to get some lens protection there. But looking at it from the side, since we have it in this view, you can see that we do have that nice cutout there for the buttons on the side. So there are going to be some parts of the phone that are exposed, but it does lip around, at least here on the top and the bottoms, for the aramid fiber. If we go up to the top, you can see that we do once again have that cutout there. So that way the mics are exposed. And then if we go to this side, obviously there is no buttons, so it is all aramid fiber. And then if we move to the bottom here, once again, nice chunky cutout there. So that way we have everything completely accessible. So the SIM card tray, the microphone, the actual USB-C charging port, and our speakers there. And then if we look at this kind of view and angle, you can see that we do have some lip action going around. So we do get that raised corner and a little bit on the side. So we are going to get screen protection if you do place it face down. And then that's the design and the look there. So as you can see, guys, it almost looks like I said once again that I don't have a phone case installed. And like I said, that's the whole point of this phone case, is to just feel like you have a little something and you're still protecting your investment a little bit. So now let's go and do the wobble test. So since I got it this way, let's just do the back down test first. So as you can see, it definitely is shaky. So, I mean, it is what it is. And if we do the face down, there is no shaking going on at all. So just the shaking with the screen facing up. And that's kind of to be expected since we do have that going on there around the actual cameras. So now let's go ahead and just show you how easy it is to get to the buttons. So obviously there is no obstructions here. So our clicky natural buttons are going to be just fine. It does have a little bit of some raised lip action going on back here as well, where your finger is going to naturally rest whenever you're holding it. And I do like that. And I don't know, it just feels nice when I'm pushing the buttons. So there we go. So now let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities. So let's slap it on. And as you can see there that we do have the MagSafe charging going on, and it does find it very nicely as well. So it does hold very tight. That's one thing that I do love about MagSafe capability with the Pitaka cases is their magnets are very, very strong. So once again, not going to have any complaints in that department. So yeah, so it's going to be able to allow you to do wireless charging and all the other wireless things that you use on your S24. So I think I said this already, but they do make it for the Plus and Ultra. I'll link it down in the description. I don't know if it's on Amazon, but if it is, I will be sure to link my Amazon affiliate links down in the description. So be sure to click and use those and buy whatever your little heart desires on Amazon, because your boy gets a little kickback and that helps support the channel. So even if you buy this case or another case or a MacBook or whatever it is you want to buy on Amazon, just click my link first. But anyways, guys, but there we go. Really nice case. Love the way Aramid fiber feels, but I don't love the smudging that comes with it, but nothing that a quick wipe down with my t-shirt can't fix. So it's the little things. Now, one thing that I will end the video with is how to take this off. And you usually want to start with that corner here where the actual camera bump is, and you just kind of lift up and then you just separate it, and that's it. So I always show that, or I'm trying to remember to show that with my Pitaka phone case reviews, because a lot of people message me and ask me how to take the damn thing off, because they are very hard to get off sometimes. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.